Good morning, guys. We got up very early in the morning, like 5 o'clock, and it's freezing outside, 11 degrees. And we're going to our whale watching cruise, which was delayed for Saturday morning at 6 o'clock here in the Newport.
Yeah, guys, I want to have a quick talk with everybody before we get out there on our adventure this morning. Yeah, everybody, welcome. Welcome to Hermanus. Welcome to Southern Ride Charters. Guys, ultimately, welcome to our whale season of 2022.
So a little bit of info that the guide gave us. This is the mating 5 months of the year of the whales. There are 3 types of whales, which the major one is the Southern Right whale. Yeah. And this is the best time of the year when we can spot some whales.
And we have got quite a couple of whales ahead of us here. Wow. More breaching out towards 12 o'clock, guys. Keep your eyes there. And the other one's coming up. Third one. Two o'clock is upside down there. Saw those pectoral flippers in the air. Pectoral flipper in the air there. Adult also turning up. There's the adult there. Nice and easy.
We just came off from the whale cruise, and that was fascinating. Really enjoyed the whales watching. We see them literally few meters from us. That was incredible. Number one attraction here in Hermanus. It's a must do. It was the hype. So yeah, now we're going for a breakfast.
What do you think it is? Hermanus whale watching booking office or Hermanus whale booking watchers office?
Karina trying to be the Karen. That cat. Our next stop is Betty's Bay. We're going to watch the penguins again, and then we are staying at Gordon's Bay. So it's on the way. Those baboons just walking along the road. They're actually so cute. I see some babies here. Where's the babies?
He went away.
They're behind the car. Oh, look at that giant ass baboon. We arrived to Betty's Bay. Let's see if we can find some penguins. We entered now Stony Point National Reserve. This place takes 30 rands per person, which is around $2. Not expensive for watching the penguins. But if you don't want to enter the reserve, you still can see penguins outside. So you decide if you want to enter. But I think it's worth it. We just arrived to our last accommodation in the Western Cape before we depart to Bloemfontein tomorrow. Look at the view. We are in Gordons Bay. Cape Town is just over there. Beautiful day today. Nice road was driving. And now we are hungry as hell and we are going to eat, right? Let's go.
Let's go.